Hey y'all, my name is Jeremy Steding and I'm the owner of Steding and Sons Mercantile, maker of 1836 Kratom. We are out of Austin, Texas, and I've been working with Joe Lerner for just over 2 years now. Our business is a supplement business serving the fitness and wellness industry. The first year that I started working with Joe was the beginning of 2019. Our 2018 revenue was $255,000. 2019, we did $956,000. And in the year 2020, we did $2.34 million in revenue, all while maintaining a 20% profit margin. And I know that a lot of that is thanks to Joe. I'm incredibly grateful for our relationship. I talk about those numbers, and that's one of the biggest aspects. Every week when I talk to Joe, I know that I have to know the numbers. Joe is a numbers guy, and he insists that I focus on those every week, and I do, and it's been wonderful. Joe and the Bergflow model have really, they focus on the whole picture and the way that your business is serving your life, and I appreciate that. I appreciate the weekly reflection on life goals and the accountability of knowing that I have that call every week. I think that's one of the biggest things is accountability. So I'm truly grateful to be working with Joe, and I encourage you to do so. Again, my name is Jeremy Steding. If you want to reach out to me and ask any questions, it's info@1836kratom.com. That's info@1836kratom.com, and I'd be happy to answer, and I would absolutely encourage you to work with Joe and the Bergflow team. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful 2021.